Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will see how to use unique function in Excel. Unique function is a dynamic array function. That is nothing but the result will be always depends upon on the data changes. Let's see how to use this. Start typing equal to unique function. Select this one and select an array. Close the bracket, click on enter. Here you can see all the unique values. Next we'll try for two columns equal to unique function. Select the data, close the bracket, click on enter. Now you can see these two values together compared and given the unique values. In this way we can use unique function in Excel. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.